Hey guys, how you doing? This is former Liberty Graphic Designs, and today we're gonna do an all over shirt, a long sleeve all over shirt, so don't go anywhere. So let me show you what we're gonna be printing, or the shirts that we're gonna be printing real quick. So this is what we're gonna be printing. And the software that I'm using right now is CorelDRAW. So I'm just going to go ahead and save this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to export it. And I'm going to do an export. And I noticed that PDF actually works better. So I'm just going to export it into PDF. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the Epson software. This is Epson Edge Print. And I'm going to add. And then I'm going to import the job that we just created. So once we import the job, we just select it, and it'll automatically add it to the jobs. So, and it's ready to print. All we gotta do is you can either rip it from here, or you can just go ahead and print. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna go ahead and print and send it to the printer, and that's it. It's done. Now the printer is gonna start printing it. So let's go check it out. Okay, so now the printer is gonna start printing. This printer does have a take-up reel, but I don't have a cord that's big enough for the take-up reel. So I'm just gonna hold the paper as it prints. Okay, so even though these prints are very large, you'll see how fast this printer is. So it don't take that long to print a job this big. Okay, so printing is done. Printing took about 5 minutes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut everything so it's just easier to print it. My press is 39 inches wide. This is about 43, so it would be too long for or it would be too big for my press. So let me cut this real quick. Okay, so now that we have all the pieces cut, they're ready to go into sublimation, right? But we need to cut the fabric, and I want to make sure that it's big enough to print everything. There you go. So I'm gonna go ahead and press this one since I have that one ready. Okay, so that one is gonna be, I'm gonna be pressing at 375, and that's gonna go for 50 seconds. So that one's ready to go. Let me show you what it looks like. Let me bring it up close so you guys can see. It looks really nice. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna cut all the pieces and have them ready. That way I can take them to the sewing machines. So let me cut this real quick. So we got everything cut and ready to go to the sewing machine. So whenever we're sewing, we're having the machine cut a little bit. So that's how much it's cutting. It's cutting, again, about a 1/16 of an inch. It's not much, but it's enough to have a nice tight seam right there. So now we're gonna grab one of the sleeves. In this case, the sleeves are actually the same print on both of them. If there was a difference in print, then that's when we pay attention to which one is gonna go where. Now let's sew the sleeve, and again, cutting a very small piece off the shirt, which is gonna be again about a 1/16 of an inch. So that's one sleeve. Now let's do the other one. Let me cut this excess right here. And that's the other sleeve. So now we're gonna sew the entire shirt together, starting with the actual sleeves. Okay, so now we're gonna do the color on this medium shirt. All we got to do now is the hemming around the sleeves and on the bottom of the shirt. Okay, so I'm sorry guys, my camera ran out of battery, and I didn't show you guys the hemming, but the t-shirts are done. They're complete. I already finished them. Everything is done. So let me show you what they look like. This is what the shirts looks like. This is actually the large. It's already been folded, ready to go. I put my tags in there, the Make It Happen apparel. That's my kind of like my brand. That's one of the sleeves, and this is how good this shirt looks. Look at that. Let me get a little close up so you can see how nice the fish looks. And it's gonna have the customer's name on the chest, and then it's gonna have his name also. This is for a fishing shirt. It's gonna have it on the sleeves. The front of the shirt has a both of them are bass, but the front of it has one almost catching the bait with the cane. The one on the back, however, does not have that. It just has the bait right there, but it doesn't have the fishing rod. And that, again, that's the customer's logo. And this thing looks, I mean, it looks amazing. So that's it for this video, guys. It was very fun actually making this shirt. Guys, if you want to get one of these shirts, go ahead and check out our Etsy store. We're gonna have these shirts on our Etsy store. Obviously, you're gonna be able to change your logo or whatever it is you want to put on the shirt, so you can customize it with your own logo. So guys, if you made it this far, I want to say thank you. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and ding the bell so you're notified when I upload new videos. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. If you have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thank you guys for watching. It was a pleasure like always. I will catch you on the next one. Thank you. God bless you, and I will see you later. Bye bye now. See ya. Adios.